This year pushed me to rethink everything: my budget, my habits, my lifestyle, and the plan I created to finally become debt free may be exactly the blueprint you need to. Hey, beautiful people, it's Dion, and today I'm sharing the honest truth about how I'm planning to become debt free and how you can create your own path to financial freedom as well. Why I needed a new plan. This economy exposed every weak spot in my finances. So I made a decision. I'm not letting debt control my life anymore. If you have seen some of my videos of earlier this year, you'd see that my plan was to show you how I was going to pay off $75,000 in debt using different strategies to do it. And then my economy really got affected with work. It came to a crashing halt when you think about it. During the year, from the beginning of the year, there was minor cancellations at work. I've shared before, I am a nurse, and so I work 12-hour shifts. But what happened later on this year, after I made my plan to pay things off quickly, is the census in the hospitals were low, we're overstaffed, and the cancellations were just rampant. And I have been applying for other jobs. I've interviewed for bedside as well as leadership positions, and things have really been challenging. It is difficult out there to get certain jobs that you're looking for. And so I needed to create a new plan to stay afloat. Let me share my 5-step debt-free plan. Resetting my entire budget. Every dollar has a job, and I've been saying that before. Every dollar must have a job. It needs to have a specific purpose of what it's going to do to help keep me and my family financially stable. Cutting expenses and simplifying my life, decluttering my life and my finances. So I have been decluttering my home, getting rid of things. Like, we've gone through every room in this house, including the garage, and we're trashing garbage. A lot of times we hold things that we really don't need and it won't serve any purpose or value to anyone else. We've been trashing it. Things that are in good condition that can help another family, we have been donating. And some of my gently used and unused valuable items, I've been reselling them on Facebook Marketplace in order to help supplement my income. Increasing income intentionally. Side hustles, I won't get into that because I just spoke about that, mention it briefly. Working overtime when it's available. And if I'm able to pick up an extra 12-hour shift, I'm picking it up. Even when I'm tired, I'm pushing through. When it's available, I'm going to take it. Selling unused items, I just spoke about that. Building digital income streams. Part of my business, Dee-Lightful Wealth Creation, is providing digital products that provide a solution for a problem. And what I focus on this channel is becoming financially stable, helping you get your money organized. So I have a few digital products that I do sell that really help to transform your life and give you solutions for the problems that you currently have with your economy. I'm also expanding my channel, and I am so grateful to you, the viewer. I have received over 1,000 subscribers now. I've really been pushing the channel. I took a little break in November just to regroup and refocus, but the channel just kept feeding and helping others. And I've been getting some wonderful comments and feedback on how the information that I've shared and the free workbook has really helped to transform some lives. I say thank you, thank you, thank you. So I'm expanding my channel, working more on my business and not just depending on a job to supplement my income and to provide for me and my family. I'm avoiding new debts at all costs. If I can't afford it, it waits. And I will say no more there. Tracking everything weekly. I can't stress this enough. You have to stay on top of your finances. You can't just ignore it. You can't push it aside and avoid looking at it, thinking the problem will go away. You need to track everything weekly using a debt tracker, an expense tracker. This changed everything. And this is the exact framework that is inside my workbook. If you want to start creating your own debt-free roadmap, download my free 7-day financial clarity starter kit. And if you're ready to build the full plan, your full plan, budget, trackers, savings goals, debt payoff systems, grab my workbook. Where is my money going? It's the tool that helped me rebuild this year. It's helped me to remain stable. It's helped me to not feel as overwhelmed as I could have been if I didn't have a system. In future videos, I'm going to talk a little bit more about making some lifestyle changes. I've been going through some decisions with my family to make lifestyle changes that can definitely revolutionize our lives, can transform what we're going through, remove the overwhelm, and put us in a better position. So as I'm working on that and I see where it is going to come through, I will be sharing that information with you. And maybe it can help you as well. Beautiful souls, you are not behind. You are not hopeless. You can still become debt free in this challenging economy. And if you have a job, hold on to it. If you're able to work overtime, take advantage of it. Hold on to those things, but still work on creating other streams of income so that you can become financially stable. Let's do this together, and I'll see you in the next video.